Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, easiest business credit cards to get approved on. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're trying to scale a business but keep getting hit with the rejection because your personal credit isn't flawless or your company is brand new, well, you are definitely not out of options. Now, the trick is to avoid rigid traditional lenders and target cards designed specifically for accessibility. Now, just be sure to bypass common application trap first to ensure the address on your application perfectly matches your official IRS EIN letter. So, because banks are highly averse and will deny you over a tiny data mismatch. So look for so in this case you may want to look out for those. But yeah, so what's the first option here? Now the smoothest path here, if you have a capital on hand, is a corporate card like REP. Now it requires absolutely no personal guarantee, no social security number, and zero hard credit checks. Now they approve you based entirely on your business financial strength, requiring you to maintain at least $25,000 in your business bank account. Now it has no annual fee and requires you to pay the balance in full monthly, and pushes your clean history to the major business bureaus. Now, if you want an unsecured card that looks at personal credit without damaging it, well, in this case, we have Capital on tap as well. So, in this case, this one is stellar choice for scores around 640. They only run soft pull on your Equifax file here, approving limits up to $50,000 in 24 hours and giving you 1.5% cashback that bumps to 2% if you use weekly autopay. Now, if you prefer mainstream powerhouse here, well, the Chase Inc. Business Unlimited is surprisingly attainable with a mid 600 score. Now, usually requiring an Experian hard pull, it rewards you with flat 1.5% cashback and a 12-month 0% interest window on purchases. Now, and a massive $750 bonus with zero annual fees. Now, if your credit needs a serious reset here, well, secured cards give you a guaranteed foot into the door. Now, the Bank of America Business Advantage Secured is a gold standard here that requires a $100,000 minimum deposit through a TransUnion hard pull, but charges no annual fee and uniquely hands you 1.5% cashback with a path to graduate to an unsecured line. And finally, we have the First National Bank of Omaha secured card. Well, this one acts as a reliable last resort. Now, it requires an Experian check with a deposit between $2,000 and $10,000, and while it has a $39 annual fee and no rewards, it feeds your on-time history straight to Dun and Bradstreet to build the institutional credibility you need for future funding. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.